Well, what's up guys, this is Steve for Angel at Night, and today what we've got for you is a look at Line Deco. Now this is another sponsored review, as I said in my Doodle Launcher review. Someone in that review commented that because it was a sponsored review I was going to be biased and unfair and everything like that. Even though these reviews are sponsored, I'm going to do my best, and I am doing my best to make these as unbiased and as objective as possible. So Line Deco is a wallpaper, widgets and icons app. So I'm going to start with the wallpapers. The selection in this application is pretty decent. It's not as good as some of the other apps I've seen. If you're looking for wallpapers which are sort of geared towards a slightly younger audience, then these are actually pretty good. There's lots of sort of cartoony ones, quite cutesy ones, lots of patterns. Though there are a lot of other ones which are very good. There's some like really nice constellation-y ones and star-like ones. And the wallpaper I was using in my previous Doodle Launcher video was from Line Deco. Although the selection is very good, the quality is not as good as some other apps I've used. They're not all HD, and they're certainly not all sort of 1080p wallpapers. And a lot of them, if you set them in the scrolling orientation on your home screen, so that when you scroll through your home screens the wallpaper changes, a lot of them look fairly low quality. This is one of the issues with Line Deco that I hope the developers will look towards sort of sorting out, which is just generally making all the wallpapers a slightly higher quality. That being said, the selection is pretty decent, and if you are younger looking for a more sort of cutesy aesthetic, then it's definitely going to sort of be hitting in the right area for you. Next are the icon packs, and my issue with the icon packs is that they are quite small. They are not like the icon packs you'll download off the Play Store. So if you go on the Play Store, you download a whole host of icons. They're often like plus of 1,000 different icons within the icon pack. Within Line Deco, the icon packs are generally a lot smaller, which works well if you're just theming one home screen. So if you just want to customize the icon pack for the icons in your dock, for example, that works really nicely. However, if you want to get the whole system-wide coverage, this probably isn't going to be for you. I'd recommend going to the Play Store and downloading an icon pack from there. The selection is pretty decent. Again, it's hitting that very sort of kiddie, more youthful aesthetic, which is the same as the wallpapers. The one thing I dislike about some of the icon packs is that you have to pay to download them. Now you can do this for free with points. You can get free points from downloading applications. But if these icon packs hit the aesthetic you're looking for, and you don't mind just having them on the one home screen, and you don't mind downloading an application to get the icon pack for free, then that does kind of work. The last thing within Line Deco are the widgets. Now these are really cool. They kind of act a bit like Zupa widgets, but they're much easier to apply. So you just download Line Deco, you go to your home screen, you add it like a normal widget, you select Line Deco, and then you've got all the widgets installed right there for you. It is a lot easier than using something like Zupa widget where you have to choose the size and you've got to download the skin. I've tried to walk multiple people through that process and it is a little bit more involved. The selection within the app isn't quite as good as you could again find on something like the Play Store, but the pure utility of it I think kind of counterbalances that. The selection is very much in that Line Deco aesthetic, so it's very sort of cartoony and cutesy, so if that's what you're looking for, this will probably be perfect. You do have to use points to buy some of these again. There are some free ones, but you will have to use points if you want to download many of them. So all in all, Line Deco is a decent enough app. I would say there are better wallpaper apps out there, and I don't particularly enjoy using the icon packs from this. What they're doing with widgets is pretty cool, and the whole aesthetic that unifies the sort of three elements I think is interesting. If you really want that sort of cartoony, kiddie look, this is one of the better places to look for them all in one place. I wish they hadn't used microtransactions within the app, but I can kind of see where they're coming from. I'll be doing more videos in the future on my favourite icon packs and wallpapers from the Play Store, so look out for those. But for now, you can check out Line Deco in the description. Please comment below your favourite apps, widgets, wallpapers, etc. and I'll try and do a video on those in the future. Please give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't seen me before. You can follow me on all my social media things with the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.